I like the chatbot now. It's the first person that's made me realize, yeah, I like that. I like the chatbot. I'd be interested in seeing how we structurally do business together. I'd be interested in it.
So in this video, I'm going to show you how I ended up cold calling a client and pitching my service as I've actually built him a website. No, I don't really build a website before the call. I just do that because I wanted to increase my booking rate and my show up rate, which actually helps. But in this particular occasion, he knew that what was going on and he thought I was lying, which I was, and he wanted to test me and he said, okay, I'm free, hop on a call in just 20 minutes. And in this video, I'm going to show you the entire process, how I ended up cold calling a client and built the entire website in just 1 minute. Yes, I built the entire website in 1 minute and I prepared myself for the call in just 10 minutes. And you're also going to see my client's reaction of loving the website I've just built in just 1 minute. So watch this video until the end. Hello, is this?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me? Is it?
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
Can you give me like 20 seconds to let me know why I gave you a call?
Where are you calling from? Sorry, it's just a bad line.
Sorry, mate. Can you give me 20 seconds to let me know why I gave you a call?
That sounds a bit funny. It sounds like you're going to sell me something.
I don't have anything to sell, but I've actually rebuilt your entire website totally for free. If you had like 5 minutes, I can show you the website. If you like it, you can keep it.
Why would you build it for free? It's good enough as it is, isn't it?
So I'm just getting into the business and I'm trying to get some testimonials to actually get some clients in the future.
Okay.
So,
all right. Okay, so go on.
So all I'm asking in return is for 5 minutes of your time. We can hop on a quick video call and I can show you the website. You can like it. If you like it, I can connect your domain name and you can have it for free.
My own website.
Yeah. I've restructured and rebuilt your website for high conversion.
Okay, but what did it need improving for? What were the areas that needed improving? Do you think? Hello?
Hello, mate.
Yes. So what did you find that needed improving on the website?
So when I went inside your website, there's no lead capturing system or AI chatbot to get the leads who are coming inside your website. So I've added the lead capturing system and the chatbot.
Okay.
So
all right.
Whoever comes
to get to see this?
If you have an email, I can send you a meeting link and we can hop on a quick call and I can show you the website.
All right. That's right.
Absolutely, man. Well, when you will be free, I can send you the link whenever you want.
Okay. And then what are you opening your own company and you need some referrals? Is that what it is, or?
So I've been doing web design myself in the UK. So right now I moved away from the UK. So I'm right now targeting the Australian clients. Since I don't have any results in the Australian market, I'm just giving free websites in exchange of reviews. So if I can actually help you get some clients, it's going to help me get more clients from myself.
Okay. And do you know much about SEO and all that sort of stuff?
Yes.
Search engines, so, all that sort of stuff?
Yeah. I'm doing SEO, on-page SEO and SEO blog posting, and I can increase the actual organic search result inside your Google My Business page so that anyone who is searching for landscaping in Sydney, I can help your business to pop up on the top. So whenever people are searching, your website's going to come up.
Yeah, we've got a team that's been working on that for the past couple of months, and last time it was probably a couple of years. So I know that very well, but I'm just saying, what did my website need help with?
So it's basically if someone is coming inside your website, we shouldn't be leaving them outside. We have to collect their information somehow. So that's the best way. We can add a lead capturing system on your hero section, or we can have a chatbot, which have given both of these inside your website.
Okay. But if someone leaves my website without calling me, it's not necessarily that I want these clients, right? Do you think? Or?
So yes, but there may be price searching, and if we have their information, maybe we can have a marketing team, or I can connect your automation on the back end, which can actually warm them up before buying from you. So instead of leaving them come and go, we can have them warmed up so that they can actually buy from you.
All right. Okay, how long will this take if you send me the lead? If you send me it this afternoon, can we do it, get it over and done with today, or?
Absolutely, we can do it today, whenever you want. You just give me a time, I'll be there.
2:30?
2:30, so in 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Absolutely, man. I'll be there.
I don't think you're leaving the office early otherwise, yeah. So I'll wait and go through this with you to see what you have to offer.
Absolutely, man. I'll give you an invite link at 2:30 and we can have a look at the website.
Okay, perfect. I'll be here waiting.
Absolutely, man. Thank you so much for the showing up, and see you soon.
And staying on the line.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.
See you, bye.
Yes. So the meeting is in 20 minutes. So I didn't really build, to be honest, I didn't really, oh shit, did I cut the call? Yes, I cut the call. So I didn't really build anything. I only have 20 minutes and the website is not going to take too much time. I'm just going to have a lead capturing system and the AI chatbot. And I'm going to build this entire website from scratch, just with the help of their actual website and their actual Google My Business page. And I'm going to show them inside the meeting. In case you guys are wondering, how am I able to call Australian clients and the UK clients from here in Bali? I'm actually using a software called Go High Level. And this is the exact software I'm using to build and sell my smart website in just 5 minutes. And you can literally get a 30-day free trial by clicking the link in the description. And this is going to allow you to call the businesses from the US, the UK, Australia, and all the other first world country. And all you have to do is purchase a phone number with just $1. That's it. And you can start making calls with the PC dialer, or you can use the mobile dialer, start booking meetings and start closing clients, start making online money. And if you end up signing with my link, you will get access to my community totally for free, and along with all the courses over here from A to Z. You just have to copy and paste and start making money with the help of my proven outreach strategy, my actual sales call, and our vault, all the snapshots and templates which I'm actually using inside my $20,000 web design agency. Or if you want some personalized one-on-one help to get some quick results just like these, all you have to do is click on the first link in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. So I just finished the sales call with the client I booked. He showed up in just 20 minutes after the call. And I didn't really had that much time, but guess what? It just took 5 minutes to set up everything. As I mentioned in all my other videos, it's that simple. As you can see, I've taken his Google My Business page link and I've taken his website link, and I put it into this Go High Level Studio, AI Studio. And inside the AI Studio, I built the entire website, restructured the entire website. As you can see, this is the website he has at the moment. I'm gonna blur out all the business information, which you shouldn't be searching people. It's called stalking. Don't do that. And this is how the website looks right now with the chatbot on the side. And I showed this exact website and this is how it went.
All right, so what's happening here? Show me what's happening.
So, before that, I'm just going to show you your old website so that you can have a comparison between the website I've built and the website you have. Can you see my screen?
Yep.
So this is the website you have right now.
Yep.
Yes, it is a website, but there are lots of different ways we can improve to get the clients to actually see what you have to offer and collect the leads. And with the leads, we can have the automation to actually get them to buy from you. So right now we have all the grids. So it feels kind of like a social media Instagram post where you have all the posts there, but that's not what websites should do. And that's where your new website comes in. So I've built your entire, restructured entire website. All of these information you are seeing inside the screen are actually your own information. And we also have, I'll just remove myself. There you go. Your chatbot. So anyone who is trying to have a conversation, if they don't want to have a conversation directly with you, at least they want to know what kind of information they can get from you.
Instead of
Okay.
you wasting your time, I know that you're a busy guy. You're always on the phone. So instead of wasting your time, we can have our chatbot to deal with all the inbound leads who are really cold, and we can make use of the chat to warm them up. And finally, when they're really warm to buy from you or actually have a conversation with you, only then we
Yeah.
can let them have your actual phone number so that they can have a call with you and you can actually close
Yeah.
those clients.
It almost tests them out first, see if they're compatible or whatever, and then allows it through almost in a way.
So the website is gonna give you the feel like, okay, this guy knows what they're doing. They have all their
Yeah.
points, and we have proof that they are doing a good job, and we have the testimonials from actual customers who given
Yeah.
them a 9.
And they got the right licenses and right insurances and all that,
Yes,
so which is important too.
So
Yeah.
it's basically like a first date with someone.
Yeah.
If
Yeah,
they
yeah,
like
yeah.
the first date,
That's
they're
right.
gonna go ahead and close the deal.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah, no, it's good.
And
Yeah.
with the chatbot, that's the main thing. With the
Yeah, I like the chatbot now. It's the first person that's made me realize, yeah, I like that. I like the chatbot. I'd be interested in seeing how we structurally do business together. I'd be interested in it because I've got a few ideas too. I like things on the side we can do down the track.
So
Yeah,
what
yeah.
I can also do is I can take care of your social media so that people can actually see your.
We've done nothing for that yet. We've barely done anything with that yet. Anything. Like if you look at nothing, I think someone here played with it one day, but nothing. So it's all ready to play with. So yeah.
I think we met each other at the right time.
Yeah, I reckon definitely.
As you would have seen in this video, he was genuinely happy to see the website, and he genuinely was liking the website the way it looks, and he liked the idea of the chatbot on the side, which is going to help him way too much with his job. And he's actually a busy guy dealing with lots of big deals on his business. And after having conversation about the website, we ended up having conversation about all the things. Like he was asking a lot of questions about me so that he can get to know me, the guy who is dealing with his business, instead of me dealing me as a web designer. So he was asking a lot of questions. I was answering all of his questions. Everything went smooth, and we ended up talking about lots of different stuff. And I ended up saying I do video editing, graphic design, social media with my other clients back in the UK. And I showed him some of my examples. Guess what? He loved what I was trying to build with him. Instead of for him, I'm gonna build with him. And he asked me to go back and do all the research about what I can do for him. And once he's happy with the website and all the other stuff, which I'm gonna deliver to his business, we're gonna have a deal with the long term. So I was supposed to build this website for free and give it to him for $97 to $297 a month. But guess what? I'm thinking about going for a high ticket price since I'm doing organic social media stuff and graphic design stuff. Guess what? I'm just going to make use of AI and the information I had while working with lots of other clients for past three years now. So this information and the AI is going to take me way higher now, and I'm going to price them around 1,000 to 2,000. Let's see what happens, and I'm going to make another video about the call we are going to have in a few days. And stay tuned to this channel if you want to see those other sales calls I'm making, all the cold calls I'm making. Make sure to subscribe. And if you want some help, me helping you out getting your clients and setting up your business, click the first link in the description, book an onboarding call. And if I can feel I can help you, we will start working together and you will book your clients in the first week possible. This was my second day of cold calling, and I landed a high ticket client. Anything can happen. Believe in yourself, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.